I had a request to finish off the CD player. I shall. I never did get my CD. Oh! Just glanced her. There we go. I'll get my CD now. There somewhere. Uh-oh. The LCD screen is fragmenting and cutting your face. But I think it's the way to get my CD. There we go. Bye. Ow! The CD's in there somewhere. Where are you? I can't believe I can't get my CD yet. Let's try splitting her apart. They built these things tougher than that. CD. Holy shit. Alright. Let me get my CD. There's my CD. Oh, there's 3 CDs. Save the CDs. Fucking gears in my way. Not the log. Oh no, I fucked the first CD. That's alright. Before the 5-disc changer. Oh no, I killed the other CD. Alright, I got a few CDs here. There's also one stuck in my CD-ROM. Alright. Oh! Good thing that's carpet. There we go. The first step. Second step. Fine. Oh, there's no CD in there. And you know what you do with fucking 5 CDs that you just fucked over? You put them in the microwave. Never did 5 in the microwave before, so you have to turn it on high. Don't want to defrost the CDs, they're already defrosted. Check this out. Oh wait, they gotta cook evenly. There we go. See, that one's not even hit. There we go. I think they're just about done. Oh, it stinks. Now that's a CD cut to perfection. Got it. Going Crazy does have its side effects. As you see my hand is a little cut to fuck. But it was well worth it for the carnage. That's how you get your fucking CDs back.